Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters onto your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and tap on the plus icon to open up a photo from your gallery. Once you have chosen your desired photo, you will be taken into the edit menu. Now from this page, you will directly be taken into styles, from which you can choose from various different kinds of filters. Just check out the different filters that are available, and if you're satisfied with any, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. You can also tap on the tools option to see various other different kind of settings that you can use to modify your photo. Look around the various different options and see if they are the settings that you would like to use. Once you have achieved your desired setting for your photo, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and now you can proceed with exporting your image. And there you have it. That is how you can use filters on your photos on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.